Bieros, this is Liman Islander. So PMS na punta Bieros. So tired Bieros, very tired. Struggle is real. So I've been working with the other side of the wheel for the Altis. The problem is the boots of the CV joint already damaged. So we need to change the CV joint. So to do that, we need to do a lot more things before we remove the old CV joint boots. So after 48 years, na-remove na nato the old CV boots. This is the boots to protect the CV joint from damage. So here's the it sealed the grease so that there's no friction of the bearing parts. Similar with the bearing inside. I will show you what it looks like. Struggle is real. Here we are. So this is the new boots. It's been replaced. This is the old boots. So the problem is the damage ng boots. So the result is this one here. So very dirty because of the grease. When the vehicle spinning, so the grease coming out. So the problem with that, if the grease if there is no more grease inside this thing here, no more grease, so metal to metal, it will damage the bearing. This one here, side. This one here, bearing, this one bearing. I don't know if it's a bearing or I don't know, but it will damage. So it will cost you 3,500 to replace this one inside. So better to change the boots. This only costs less than 500 pesos rather than replacing the 3,500 CV joint. Same what I did in the other side. See, so this one already damaged the CV, so it cost me 3,500 to replace the CV joint. But this one here, it's not yet damaged, so we just need to replace the boots so that it will protect the grease from coming out, and it will lubricate the metal to metal to avoid the friction that caused the damage. Okay, so now putting this one here is very struggling. It took me half day or almost a day to remove this one, to remove that one, just to put it here. Oh, grabe yung grabe yung struggle. The struggle, Bieros, very difficult. Oh, my neck's already been what do you call this? Nagdunam na. Parang na masakit na yung likod ko. Grabe, sakit. Yung position dito, super very hirap. So need to secure na lang the boots, and then before that we will put grease inside and then cover with the boots and then test drive. Okay, Bieros, see you.